Are you tired of unqualified leads and endless rejections? Targeting the wrong leads can break your business. You could hire an agency and drain your bank account. Or you could do it yourself with BrandNav. BrandNav is the only tool you'll ever need to generate a consistent inflow of qualified leads to create an environment of everlasting growth for your business. BrandNav provides insights on over 14.7 million active e-commerce and direct-to-consumer brands. All you have to do to get started is create your free account and select your qualification criteria. Within seconds, you'll get a list of companies that fit your parameters. BrandNav will filter out the junk so you're left with high-quality leads that you can use to grow your business. Once you have your list, you can download it with one simple click. With BrandNav, you get over 30 qualification criterias and the world's most accurate and frequently updated database, ideal for lead generation, market research, and data enrichment. Building high-quality lead lists and finding new clients is now easier than ever. So what are you waiting for? Jump on board and start for free with BrandNav.
Today we're talking about BrandNav, the world's most precise and up-to-date database, provided by BrandNav, is excellent for lead creation, market research, and data enrichment. BrandNav is a sales intelligence tool called BrandNav offers information on 14.5 million live e-commerce DTC businesses. Find prospecting-worthy, high-quality leads for your sales and marketing activities. It is alternative to D7 Lead Finder and ideal for marketers, sales managers, and small businesses. Significant highlights of BrandNav. Founders, salespeople, marketing executives, and decision-makers may immediately begin prospecting with BrandNav. To correctly identify and segment your prospects, it provides 30+ qualification criteria. With BrandNav, you can filter your opportunities based on their tech stack, installed applications, number of social media followers, revenue, and many other factors. Features include a sub-industry specific database, global statistics from more than 200 countries, 30+ search parameters, tracking for more than 1,500 technologies, monitoring for social profiles, and more. You have access to numerous data points with BrandNav. Here are a few: shipping companies, anticipated monthly income, nation, language, platform, niche, and average. Product cost, monthly app spending, tech stats, number of employees, followers. You can export drop shipping stores using BrandNav. Downloading your list of drop shipping stores requires logging into BrandNav and selecting the store category filter. What filters are available in BrandNav? It gives you access to over 30 filters. Here are some of them: niche, country, language, platform, shipping carriers, estimated monthly revenue, AVG. Product price, monthly app spend. Are there any hidden restrictions to BrandNav filters? No, BrandNav has no restrictions. You get access to all filters on each plan. BrandNav makes it simple to create ultra-specific e-commerce lead lists for your marketing and social media initiatives in a matter of minutes. There is a lifetime exclusive deal of BrandNav on Appsumo for $79. It means you buy this product by a one-time payment and use it for a lifetime. You don't have to pay any monthly fees. Lifetime access to BrandNav would usually cost $1,764, but if you buy this deal from the link in the description, one-time purchase would be $79 instead of $1,764. What's included in this deal? With a $79 lifetime plan, you get lifetime access to BrandNav, unlimited access to all 15M+ e-commerce companies, 20 searches per day, 2,000 stores export per month, and 1 user. It is an excellent opportunity for you. So, why are you doing it late? Purchase BrandNav from the link in the description and get lifetime access to BrandNav today. Most of these deals will be sold out within 1 week of their launch on Appsumo, so be sure to grab the best Appsumo deals while you can. Thanks for watching.